Netball news now. The Manchester Spurs lifted the Berger Elite Netball League title for the first time after a 71-65 win over defending champions Kingston Hummingbirds in the deciding game at the National Indoor Sports Centre last night. Defending champions Kingston Hummingbirds were looking to become the first team to win back-to-back Berger Elite League titles and a record third hold on the crown. But the Manchester Spurs, who've never won the tournament, were looking to avenge last year's defeat. In a pulsating encounter, the Spurs started out as the aggressors in the first quarter, leading by as many as 6 goals. However, the Winston Evers coached Hummingbirds found their footing and battled back to close, trailing 14-12. The roles were reversed in the second quarter as the Hummingbirds took control early on and they even took a 20-17 lead, but the Spurs overturned the deficit to lead 28-26 at halftime. The third quarter was a show of pure grit and mettle as both teams traded goals and defensive stops, but the Connie Francis-trained Spurs just edged the Hummingbirds 42-40 going into the fourth quarter. It was a similar showing in the fourth as the teams took turns at the lead. However, the Spurs were seconds away from winning, but the Hummingbirds scored with time draining to send the game into overtime. The ding-dong battle continued in the first period of overtime, but the Hummingbirds took a 61-60 lead going into the second. However, the defending champions ran out of steam as they only managed 5 goals, as the Spurs, led by MVP Giselle Allison, netted 11 of their own to win the match 71-65 and claim their first hold on the title.
When we go back into memories, we realize that the first game, that is we who allow them back into the game, we make sloppy decisions when it comes to the passing, and our shooting was a bit off at times. We said that we need to correct that, and hey, if we correct that, we stand a chance of winning.
If you look at where the match decided in the shooting era, the shooter, Anarchy Griffiths and Giselle Allison was on fire. Our shooter, Sabrina Spence, decided for us by not shooting the penalty at the post, because if you get penalty at the post and don't shoot it, then you know you're in trouble. So there's where I think the match decided.